Seems to have gotten worse. So I'm heading outside. Oh, great. You can already hear the wind. That should be a sign. I'm all decked out here. Sorry about this, trying to get it over. Whoa! Sorry about that. Putting a loop over my wrist. Wow. Okay. Whoa. We got the heavy. We got the heavy wind here. Anyways, we're back out outside here. You remember this area from my fire alarm tour video. Of course, that was taken last summer. Wonder what a difference a couple seasons make. I'm just pulling in here. Millimeters anemometers. That'd be cool to have one of those. Anyways, see, there's Culver's way over there. Gosh.
God, it's nice out. Oh. Beautiful.
Oh, neighbors. Anyways, there's Culver's. Obviously, they're not open right now. That's a local grocery store chain, if you don't know. Never the local or regional. But anyways, once again, just look at this. So there's the dealer sign. There's the hotel, or American, the place I like to go to. Ooh, it's cold out here. I'm gonna be going in here pretty soon. Anyways, yeah, American is really nice. The lobby area is designed to look like a log cabin, so it's got the wood and like the half log effect and fireplace. Well, Fire Alarm Enthusiasts has got a game well system with the 60A smokes and wheel lock NS horn strobes and RSS strobes too. Or no, actually I'm not sure if there's an RSS or not. Anyways, and each room has a FireX 4618. Area over here, right in there where the blue handicap sign is, kind of where my finger is there. That's the pool area. It's one of the places I like to go to on Tuesdays or whenever I have a day off. Okay, zoom out. Oh, okay. Let's get back in. Oh, wow. Well, I'm not sure if it'll get worse this year or not, but I mean, the snowfall's gonna get worse. It's gonna accumulate more and more, but not sure if we'll have a storm worse than this. This is pretty bad. Sorry about that. I was just doing that to see how much of a jello effect you get. And sadly, you kind of do get a jello effect. I think that's what they call it when everything looks like an angle like that. Anyways, I still like it though. So anyways, yeah. So, I'm staying right in here. So yeah, they got I-90 closed down. I-90 was over there. Hell, what the heck, I can show you I-90. I'm not gonna go on I-90, of course, but... But that one guy that was out, no, I don't want to get him in trouble or anything. And I mentioned that during my fire alarm tour. This is the patio area. Obviously I never took you out here because there's no reason to. There's no alarm devices out here. It's like this. Oops, sorry. The alarms in the fire department connection are out in front. Anyways, right in front of me is I-90. But it's deathly quiet, as you can hear. That's because they shut I-90 down earlier on today. Also, you can hear snow's gotten to that point where it creates that nice crunchy sound. Now, I mentioned, whoa, okay, stepped in some deep parts. Now, I mentioned in my 9838 video that my wireless was not very good because they have these nodes that kind of, they're like repeaters that kind of transmit and resend the wireless signals. And they get like on streetlights like that. And I guess what I didn't realize, the nearest one is like all the way across the interstate over there. So I was trying to glom onto a signal from that. So it was trying to go across the interstate and then across the parking lot, of course. But then, of course, across the interstate you get all trucks and stuff. Boy, the wind is bad. But anyways, whew. It was pristine snow now. Got my footprints in it. Anyways, so yeah, I had to go through across the interstate, and then, worse, I had to pass by this big SOB to the window here, which is where I had the Wi-Fi. They call it a CP. I guess it was like the receiver. But anyways, okay, where's that? Whew. Jeez. But yeah, normally I-90 will be really busy. You hear all the trucks winding down, up and down. But if I-90 is closed, you're not going to be able to hear that.